Today's date is 27th July 2022. Today's our video topic is difference between the object oriented and the object based languages. So first one we see about the object oriented languages. So object oriented language has a sweeping impact because it appeals at multiple levels and promises faster and cheaper development and maintenance. The object-oriented programming is designed a computer programming methodology that organizes software design around data or object rather than functions and logics. So pillars of the object oriented programming is first one is the abstraction. The concept allows us to hide the implementation from the user, but shows the only essential information to the user. Because using the concept, developer can easily makes changes and added over time. The second one is the encapsulation. In normal term, encapsulation is defined as wrapping up of the data and information under wrapping up of the data and information in a single unit. The next in object oriented programming, encapsulation is defined as binding together the data and functions that manipulates them. The next one is the inheritance. The concept allows us to inherit the properties and the existing class into the newly created class. It known as the inheritance. It provides the code reusability. The next one is the polymorphism. The word polymorphism is defined is derived from the two words, that is poly and the morphs. The poly means the many and morphs mean the forms. That's us to create the methods with the same frame. The object-oriented language it supports all the features of the object-oriented programming languages. But the object-based language doesn't support all features of the OPS. The next difference is the object-oriented programming doesn't has to inbuilt object in the object-oriented language, and in the object-based language it has the inbuilt object, that is the inheritance. And the next difference is the object are the in object-oriented, that is the C++, Java, and in the object-based language is JavaScript and etc. Thank you.